Hi, up until quite recently, having a calibration system for the ADAS was a choice. But now these tools are essential for workshops, body shops, dealerships, fast fit centers, and anyone involved in professional vehicle repairing. In fact, driver assistance systems have become increasingly widespread and sophisticated. Now, with RCCS 3, Texa proceeds to a further technological evolution, introducing the digital representation of panels. Before relying on this technology, Texa carried out rigorous tests to guarantee that the higher ease of use with respect to the physical panels would still ensure total compliance with the specifications required by manufacturers. In fact, calibration errors in the ADAS may cause severely dangerous situations for the driver, with legal liability for the workshop. This need led to the choice of the direct digitalization in a 75-inch 4K HD monitor, which guarantees always a 1-to-1 ratio with respect to the panels approved by the manufacturers, without dangerous resizing or distortion of the panel images. RCCS 3 operates with Texa's IDC5 diagnostic software through the display units of the Axon family, or the PC. The IDC5 software guides the mechanic step-by-step in the automatic identification of the vehicle, selecting, displaying, and consequently setting the relating panel in the monitor, therefore eliminating any possibility of user errors. The periodic updates of the Texa software will also allow you to automatically download any new panels that manufacturers may make available. IDC5 also guides the user on how to position the vehicle correctly, thanks to help sheets with detailed instructions for each make and model. This is because, in order to carry out a calibration properly and professionally, aligning the unit perfectly to the vehicle is essential, as well as checking wheel toe. For this purpose, Texa relies on the use of digital distance measurers with reference to the rear vehicle axle, and on the CCD system, which can be used in combination with the toe and thrust angle check app, available in the IDC5 diagnostic software, for the alignment with respect to the vehicle's thrust angle. As further support to operators, Texa also provides specific training courses for how to best use RCCS 3, as well as the cell center line. RCCS 3 can be used in combination with other optional solutions, thus allowing you to operate thoroughly on other electronic driver assistance systems. IR calibration target for infrared camera calibration, ACS system for 360 cameras, reflector for blind spot radar calibration, night vision system, and many more accessories required to calibrate all the ADAS in a vehicle. In a continuously evolving market, Texa offers a product that guarantees easy and intuitive operations to the workshop and the utmost road safety to its customers, thanks to an automated procedure and an excellent manufacturing quality. Follow us on our channels to be always up to date with the latest news from the Texa world.